the mid-range smartphones are getting better. This year, we have seen many good mid-range smartphones like the iPhone SE and OnePlus Nord. Now, Google is planning to launch its Pixel 4a on August 3rd. Here it is a detailed video on Pixel 4a. The Pixel 4a comes with a punch hole design at the front with 5.8-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2300 by 1080p. Pixel 4a is the first smartphone from Google to have a punch hole cutout. Moving on, the Pixel 4a will come with Snapdragon 730 SoC, which we have also seen on the Poco X2. It is a decent chipset and perform quite well, but I personally think Google should have gone with Snapdragon 765G processor for the Pixel 4a to compete with the likes of OnePlus Nord. But yeah, 730 SoC is quite a good upgrade from Pixel 3a's Snapdragon 675 SoC. Now moving on to the cameras, which will be the main USP of the Pixel 4a. We all know how good are the cameras on Pixels, and Google's image processing is top notch in the smartphone industry. So Pixel 4a will be no exception from flagship level cameras. It will come with the same single 12 megapixel rear camera and a 8 megapixel front facing camera. Pixel 4a will be getting Google Night Sight, which in my opinion is the best night mode on a smartphone with features like celestial photography, which at this price point is hard to find. Surely on the camera front, Pixel 4a will rarely find a competition at this price point except from iPhone SE. Moving on, the Pixel 4a will come with a 3140 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging. Considering the screen size and 60Hz refresh rate, the battery backup will be decent, but the good news is Pixel 4a will host a 3.5mm jack, so I'll compromise for the lower battery capacity. The Pixel 4a will now be available in just black color. Now concluding things off, Pixel 4a will be priced at $349, that is 26,000 rupees in the US for 6 plus 128 gigs variant, making it the cheapest mid-range smartphone from Google, as Pixel 3a was launched at $399, that is 30,000 Indian rupees. So the Pixel 4a will be cheaper than Pixel 3a. But Pixel 4a will not be that cheap in India, as in India there is more taxation, which makes the smartphone almost 30% costlier than the price in the US. So Pixel 4a will be available at rupees 35,000, that is $450 in India for 6 plus 128 gigs variant. There are rumors that Google will also launch a Pixel 4a 5G smartphone along with the normal Pixel 4a at a price of $499. So this was a brief video on Pixel 4a. What are your thoughts on Pixel 4a and its pricing in India? Do let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in another video. Until then, peace.